With the NET option we can connect multiple measurement systems over a standard network. On the master unit we have two series connected on a laptop. The slave system is a Krypton CPU with Krypton modules. Since we use a sync cable, on the slave system we set the time source to external iRig and enable remote connections. On the master unit we enable iRig clock provider. On plus measurement unit we add the slave unit from the network. By the way, you can also use GPS or NTP as synchronization method. With new setup, it will show you a flat list of all master and slave channels. In the NET section, you can select the sampling rate of the slave channels and which ones should be transferred during the measurement. To demonstrate the synchronization accuracy, we have connected sensors from both systems to the same tabletop. We are setting up the two sensors as if we are working just on one system. Now let's check the synchronization. Other configurations are clients to single or multiple measurement units or multiple clients.